Hey everybody, Jeff Yenser, and lately I've been learning about the amazing moringa tree. Some friends of mine from stpete.locallygrown.net turned me onto this plant, and they said it's a great source of protein. So I looked it up on the internet, did some research on it, and on Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, it's got 7 times the vitamin C of oranges, 4 times the vitamin A of carrots, 4 times the calcium of milk, 3 times the potassium of bananas, and 2 times the protein of yogurt. It actually contains 18 amino acids and all 9 essential amino acids. So it makes it a great source of protein in theory. And so today I'm going to use it as a substitute for protein powder in my smoothie. Normally I use protein powder in my smoothies to make sure I'm getting sufficient protein intake because I'm pretty active, and I like to use it as a meal substitute as much as possible. So today I'm just going to use this moringa. I've also got some other greens here to go along with it. You can use whatever greens you have on hand. Whatever's locally grown and in season, is organic is best. I've got a small slice of cucumber here, a few strawberries, and some mango. In the blender already I've got a bit of purified water to get it started, and then we'll add some coconut milk to it to top it off. So let me just throw the stuff in here. I can just peel it off of the branch. I mean, actually the branch itself is even edible. Throw it all in there. The moringa tree is amazing. I suggest you just look it up on the internet. It's got some amazing properties. And I'm just going to stuff all this in there. All right, top it off with coconut milk. And let's blend it up. All right, so there we have it, moringa smoothie. Now, I do recommend starting out with just a small amount, blended with other ingredients. It has kind of a spicy flavor to it. It's a good flavor, but it does have a little bit of spice to it. So start slow and see how you like it. Experiment with moringa, learn more about it. It's a great plant. Jeff Yenser, VibrantHealthVideos.com. Thanks for watching.